Hello my friends, welcome to Calabash Green SLU. Follow with me as I unbox this Sawzall. Ordered from TEMU, so let's see what came in the box. Reciprocating saw. Oh, okay. Oh, so these are the blades, all scattered. Metal, wood, metal. Another one for wood again. This is the saw. This is the brand name. This is the brand name. Reciprocating saw or Sawzall. As usual guys, I'm not sponsored. This is the battery that came with it. From TEMU Tools. This is another blade. This blade is for wood also. There's the charger for the battery. And there's the operating manual. Kids Day. Reciprocating saw or Sawzall. So as usual guys, what I will do, I will try it out. Get the battery charge. It's from TEMU Tools. And I'll give you a demonstration as to how it works. Sawzall or recuperating saw. And it came with 4 different blades. This one is for wood. This one is for metal. This other one is for wood. So I got 3 for wood and 1 for metal along with the battery. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to do a demonstration to see how it works. TEMU Tools, Sawzall or recuperating saw. Also, when you're removing or inserting the blade, ensure that you give it a slight twist clockwise, so either to remove the blade or to insert a new blade. When the saw is in operation, ensure that the kick plate is against the wood that you're sawing so that you would get less vibration. At least when it is touching it, the vibration wouldn't be as bad. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Calabash Green, SLU. Please like and subscribe.